Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this a small video about the yen index and pound yen. I'm just gonna show pound yen what happened. A lot happened in pound yen, and then and all the same pound yen, euro yen, USD, and they all went up. But let me show you that pound yen, how pound yen worked out, right? So this is the chart, yen index chart I made on the 22nd over the weekend. Last Saturday was 22nd, right? That this thing is going to go from here to here. Maybe if it start to go to the upside, right? So this is a harmonic pattern calculation. This is a harmonic pattern calculation. So if it will be going to the upside, this will happen. All yen pair will go up. So if that's supposed to be the case, then I need long setups in yen pairs, and three are the yen pairs like pound yen, USD yen, euro yen. These are the three pairs that I really pay attention to. Right. Others also, open on the other computer, like CAD yen and Aussie yen as well, and I got the trades on them too. But these are the three that I pay really good attention to, right? And I made the chart and I posted different places and I gave it to my subscribers and put the Telegram and all that here. This is the idea that all yen pairs. So I'm looking for long setup. So let me show you what I made the setup for GJ, pound yen. And this was the chart I also made yesterday. I mean, there was, like 22nd, 23rd, when the market opened up, then, I had some good trades. But what happened yesterday and today? That's what I'm just showing you. That yesterday I made this chart. Today's 27th, right? 26th, I made this one. That this a whole big move I caught that already, and I had some good trades, right? Then it started to retrace. That's exactly what happened. Move happened, then retrace. Move happened, then retrace. So I said, okay, I'll wait. I tried from here, but then I came down. I made 40 pip, half of a position, and then the rest SL hit, no problem. From here, I made the chart that is going to go up into this area. Again, 95.87 was the target. So I start taking the entry. Entry comes, somewhere like here, like maybe 5 to 7 blue candles in this chart. And then my plan to trade these setups is written here, right? After a reversal candle, take a 7-minute, and then if you get it, take it, and also take this one. Or if somehow you miss the 7, then you might be able to get the 20-minute long entry, right? I just got both of them in this one. I got three entries, by the way. I'll show it to you. So this thing, the 7-minute comes right somewhere here, and then later on, 20-minute comes somewhere here, usually. And then you have, shot at these both trades, good trades. So what happened to this one? The first one that you can see, as soon as then it start to go to the upside, see it was bearish and then it start boom, 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 bullish, and this is the one taken by the EA. You see this arrow here, small arrow, and then it took the. I wasn't there to post on the Telegram on this one, but when this happened, this entry, I was awake and I was watching, and as soon as the entry start to open on the other computer, it opened the entry here, my EA, and then I posted on the Telegram as well. Let me show it to you. This is see long GJ at 194. Which one is the entry? Let me show you this. This is the entry. The first one was this one, and then second this one, right? So I was awake, and then I also had the EA, and I was watching, and as soon as it started to make the setup, and then boom, it took the entry exactly at 194.5 actually, so 194, and not 194 exactly. So my EA opened the trade, and I got posted on the Telegram, and I took it from there, right? Then this went up and then came back down. Now this coming back down, my entry survived somehow, and was like only for maybe 2 or 3 people away from myself. But this drop it made a 20-minute long. Okay. And by the way, I posted the setup chart on my Forex Factory forum in public. Does you see here? Possible pound yen long setup. This is the setup. This is the chart. So it's not that I'm showing later on. Some people say that, but so I posted this chart on different places, but this is one of them that in public and way ahead of time, and with the setup before it start to work out, right? So I posted there as well. So what happened to this chart? So this entry came, and I posted on the Telegram, and I took the entry. It opened automatically, and then it started to go to the upside. And this is the 20-minute entry right there. You can see here. So this drop here again, this was the first entry, the second entry from 7, then came, and then third entry from this one. Now this one I closed for 100, but and also this one I closed early, 115, and I posted on the Telegram to close as well. So people close that as well. But the first one I just let it go to see that if my real target, the real target of 95.87 will hit. And eventually that was hit finally. So I closed there for 190 pip. You can see here. See 95.87 target is hit. Right? And not only that, this chart, and I also had another chart. See, this is what happened to this 33-minute chart. From here, it went up here. This much small move, and I had so many tons of yen pairs trades in yen pairs already, 6, 7, 8, maybe 10 different. Aussie yen, CAD yen. I'm not even showing those trades. I'm not even talking about euro yen, even USD yen. They all went up. I had trades, a lot of them, but I'm just showing you only pound yen, 3 trades. And look what happened. One for 190, the other one for 100, the other one for 75. All right. So this is what happened. And not only that you remember, these index charts are gold mine. This is the treasure. If you understand this makes your life so easy. This one I made on the 20th, that this is yen index 15-minute chart. The other one was 33, right? So this is like a 5-minute chart. The other one is like 15-minute, right? So that's the difference, right? So that's a big chart, but this one is a small chart. So this is you see this big move, and then retracement right from there. And I said it's gonna bounce from there, and it will do the same thing. This will take all yen pairs to the upside. So I was ready and counting. So what happened to this chart so far? Remember, see this target was 7007, bypassing. If I said we're gonna go this one, this area first, break that, and we might be able to go all the way here. Look what happened. I just recorded the chart. So we are powerfully going to the upside and not too far from this area. 7016. 7016, where the heck? Oh, right there. 7016. Right? So we are very close to that. And that's why all yen pair went up. So this is what I just wanted to show you guys, that this is what it is. And make sure that you, and not only this, I'm going to post on my website. The euro yen did the same thing. USD yen did the same thing. I had setups on all of them, and I had traded all of them. Let me show you quickly. This one, euro yen. See, I had made the chart from here to here, and look how far it is already. And I have a nice 100 pip trade on this one. USD yen also from here to here, and look, very close. Not very close, but yeah, more than halfway already it went up. Aussie yen, I had this. This one was shaky because it is supposed to be coming down here actually. But I said, what the hell with it? So you don't see a yellow mark here, but and CAD yen from here to here, they all went up. They all went up. But I mostly, pay attention to pound yen, euro yen, and USD yen, and they are beautifully working out. Even going to the upside, yes, but retracement is second degree, and it is dangerous. But these pairs, you can see that it goes like this, and then this move, beautiful move. This is a lot of pips here. You're talking about from here to here, that's 110 pip. So, you can easily get 70, 80 pip out of this move. And similarly, 50, 60 pip move here and here, But, I'd rather not do that and just pay attention to when it is going away from these EMAs. And this is like after the retracement. So now we are like an extended move, right? What's going to happen tomorrow? I don't have to even tell you, right? This is going to happen. This is going to happen. So I'll see if I can, take the trade if it's coming down. If not, I'm not going to bother. I had plenty of trades. So far, I have how many trades already? Let me see. This week, it's a lot of trades. And most of them are taken by my EAC, all of these trades, almost 24, 25 actually. So 25 trades already. So, tomorrow I may trade, may not, right? Because again, market has two phases, right? Phase one is impulse wave. A lot of people don't know that. Everybody's trying to trade all the time because market is open 24 hour, right? Out of this 24 hour, there are times when you don't want to even look at the charts. Don't even look at run from the chart, from the computer, shut it down, because that's disaster time. So you must know those timings, right? And then second is that if it is retracing or it is extended, or if it is extended already, so it's going to start retracing. If the retracement is finished, then it's going to be an impulse wave, a good wave, a powerful wave that you want to be in. You don't want to be in the retracement. What happened in retracement? This happened. You go short, it goes against you. You go short, it goes against you. You go short, it goes again, SL hit, right? So a lot of times that's what happened, even a retracement. But once the retracement happened, and you must know that what is the retracement and what is the impulse wave, right? So it is very important. But you can see here that I make the chart, I put the plan here that how I'm going to trade this chart, and then I take the trades according to the plan. Exactly. So if you want to learn all of this, you can go on my website and see if sign up for whatever you need. You want the monthly subscription or one-on-one or whatever. You need to learn the whole basic game of trading, not only my system but the whole thing, like harmonic pattern, this and that. Just like I'm making for example, the charts in the beginning, you can see here, see this? So this is the calculation when I say a butterfly or this and that. So what the heck is that? And let me show you just, for example, let's say I'm watching this gold here, right? And what gold is doing, I was expecting wave 4, and as soon as wave 4 finished, that comes wave 5 to the upside, right? See that? So what happened exactly on 4-hour chart? You can see wave 1, 2, 3. I was expecting that the wave 4 is going to be coming somewhere here, and it came here. I was expecting that it may drop a little bit more. And in yesterday video, I said that it's going to probably, if it's not going to drop, then, it will go for wave 5, and it did. You see that, how fast, and, it went up? It's all the way to this high here. Break this, and you may go up a little bit more. And then wave 5 is going to be finished. Wave 5 is going to be finishing wave 3, and then you're going to be coming down. So if you know all of that, and every turning point where the heck this thing turns, then you are good to go. I mean, this move going to the upside, it's not that I'm not. Let me show it to you. I'm watching it, but I can't be paying attention everywhere all the time. See this one? The entry was from the smaller time frame, but I recorded this one because the smaller time frame was very messy. So see that buy order is there. So this was the wave 4, wave 1. This is wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 ending here, and this is how it goes. And right here to this high, 300 pip today, done. Right. So this is what the system is. This is how I trade and do the analysis. If you know what to do, or, the analysis, like I said, that when it is going to make the turn, anything, the turn is the key. It's turning, and then you get in immediately. So it goes to the distance. Like I said, the two phases, retracement and extension. Retracement, extension. Both numbers. Retracement is 61 or 78. Extension 127 or 161. Right? Keep happening, like same story again and again and again and again. So you just have to identify and then trade accordingly, just like I said, that step by step with plan, and I write down the plan on the charts. This is what's going to happen, right? And similarly, on a euro yen, pound yen, all of them, they are like, I make this chart that this is what's going to happen, and then right here, my entry was right there. And then it just went up there, 100 pip. EJ, see that I have AJ, CJ, all of that, all of those trades I caught. My ear caught it anyway. You see this one? 100 pip. Easy. All right, so this is it for now. Make sure that you subscribe the YouTube channel. So because of these, videos I make, sometimes I give out a very, very good setups. So you want those setups, that's really, really important for you to have. and very beneficial. So sometimes like I was talking about the gold now, that now a lot of people know that what the heck gold is doing, right? And soon it's gonna start retracing. So I'll make the chart. I'll make catch the turn and all of that. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. I'll make a detailed video about everything else later on sometime. Maybe I'm gonna go to sleep now, and then when I wake up, and then I'll make the video later on in the evening, I guess. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.